You wake up, and the weight of yesterday is still sitting on your shoulders. The missed opportunities. The regrets. The pressure. The doubts. It's easy to feel like you're already behind before the day even begins. But let me remind you of one powerful truth. Today is a gift. A reset button. A clean slate. And no matter how dark yesterday was, you have another chance to rise. You are not defined by your past. You are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are who you decide to become starting now. Every single morning, life hands you a fresh page. You get to write the story. You get to decide the tone. You get to choose the energy you bring. So stop waking up carrying yesterday's chaos and start showing up like today is day one. Reset your mindset. Breathe out the doubt. Breathe in the fire. Because today is the day you fight back. Today is the day you show life you're not here to survive, you're here to win. No more excuses. No more replaying failures in your head. You've got 24 new hours. Use them. Own them. Conquer them. You don't need permission to become the person you've always dreamed of. All you need is the courage to begin. And that beginning, it starts right now with your mindset. Reset it. Rebuild it. And rise.